Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is hygiene for your post-op vaginas. So basically, when I was post-op, no one told me what products to use on your vagina, how to clean yourself down there. So I am going to give you guys that resource. So if you plan on getting gender reassignment surgery or you're already post-op, this video is for you. So before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help your girl out. So let's get started. All right. Okay, so the first product that I would say about after you dilate, I want to say get some pure Castile soap. You can get this at Walmart. You can get this at CVS. You can also get this on Amazon. I like this one because this is kind of like odorless or whatever. So all you do is like put like, I don't know, like just a little bit of Castile soap in there. And then you have like this thing to like douche or whatever that the doctor will give you this. So basically, once this is like rinsed out, you put the Castile soap in here, you fill it up with lukewarm water. Then you want to put this in here and then you want to suck it up all the way to the top. So that way it's filled with all the water. And then you put this up your vagina and then you want to rinse yourself out like 3 times with this stuff. And after that, your vagina is going to be nice and soapy inside. After that, you want to like dump this out, rinse this out, and then fill it up with lukewarm water, just the water, no soap. And then you want to rinse yourself out like 3 times with this. And that will make your vagina smell good for the whole day. And especially like after you dilate or after you get done having sex, like definitely douche after, because if you just like get done having like sex or like douching or dilating or whatever, like it's gonna, your kitty cat is gonna smell. It's gonna smell, and then it's gonna be all over your panties, soaked on, if you're even wearing underwear. I don't know. So yeah, make sure you douche. And so yeah. The next product that I really like is the SummerEES Amber Nights pH Balance Cleansing Wash. So I really like this product a lot because so let me tell you a little backtrack story on like how I even figured this out. Like this is the product to use. So when I was working at Walmart at the time, I was friends with this girl at Walmart. So we both would take our lunch together and we would like hang out and stuff. And so we also like we had like a lot of time on our lunch. So we went and did like some little shopping around Walmart. So she like goes into like, you know, the like feminine hygiene products or whatever. And she like gets like one of these. And she's like, oh, I love these so much, girl. Like, what do you use? And I'm like, what is that? And she was like, you don't know what this is? Because I don't think she knew I was trans. So I was like, no. And she's like, girl, this is like body wash for your vagina. Like, and then so I was like, oh my gosh, like, oh my God, let me see. And so she was like, girl, like, what do you use to wash yourself down there? And I was like, body wash. And she just was like, girl, no, like, you need to use this. So I'm like, oh, okay. So I love this. So you can get this at Walmart. I love it. It just smells so good. Like it smells so floral. Like it even tells you like the flavor. So Amber Night scent is inspired by roses and lily of the valley. Oh my God, it smells very good. It smells like Victoria's Secret. I really am not gonna lie. Like it smells like one of the scents that they have there. And then there's this other flavor other fragrance that I really like. This one is called Blissful Escape. And basically it's fruit, florals, and vibrant berries. This one smells like Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. It smells exactly like Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. And I really love this scent a lot. And so, yes. So definitely like when you take a shower, I definitely recommend like, so using these products, this is not for like douching. Do not use this to douche or anything. This is for external use on your vagina. This is not to go inside your vagina at all. For me, what I do is like when I'm in the shower, sometimes I like to sit down when I take a shower. So like I'll lean back, spread my legs open, and then so like my vagina will spread open, and then like just grab like some of this, and then just go down up in there and just wash up in that kitty cat. Yeah, and that's how you want to do. Because also too, like when I was post-op, like a week out of the hospital, I had like this white, crusty, slimy stuff inside my vagina area, like around my clitoris area. And I didn't know what that was. I was really scared. I thought it was like an infection or anything, but it didn't like stink or anything like, and it wasn't like it was infected. So I think it's called like sebum or something like that. Men get it too if they're not circumcised, like inside the foreskin. Like when they clean themselves, they have to pull the foreskin back and then like clean up in there. If you don't do that, basically you're gonna get a buildup of this like sebum. I think that's what it's called. If not, I'll put the correct caption. But it looks like this.
Oh my god!
Basically, with that, so what it is basically like oils, dead skin cells, and then also urine. Yeah, and then it just like builds up in like your crevices, and so especially like in your vagina or like in the foreskin if you have a penis or whatever. So it's really gross. And I remember being in the shower, like trying to like dig it out of my vagina, like what is this stuff? And it was like white crust, like this white crusty stuff. It was really disgusting. But yeah, like no one told me about that. Like no one told me how to properly clean inside my vagina or anything like that. So I had to figure it out the hard way. Okay. So yeah, so get these and make sure you wash up in around the clitoris, all up in the crevices of your vagina. Make sure you really clean in there because you can have buildup of bacteria and things. And yeah, you don't want to get that. So the next thing that I like to use is this. So let's say like you get done dilating, right? And then it's like you're running late to work. You're like, oh my God, I have to get to work. Like, oh my God, oh my gosh. Definitely, I like these little like wipes, and it's like this, the Amber Nights flavor or whatever, fragrance. So basically what it is, these are like little wipes inside this box or whatever. And basically, it's basically the same thing as this, but it's just in a wipe form. And it's only good for a one-time use. Basically, you want to just rip this open, you pull the wipe out, right? And let's say you're at work and like you go to the bathroom and you know you're doing your business, and then you start to smell like a little like odor or something like that. I'm gonna be real. It happened to me, you know, because I didn't douche right after I dilated. Like I was rushing out of the house to get to work and stuff like that. And, you know, my little kitty cat was a little smelly. So basically you want to just rip this open, pull the wipe out. It says do not flush. So whatever you do, do not flush it. Just throw it away in the trash. And you basically grab the wipe and just clean up in that kitty cat, especially clean around the little vagina hole that you have. You know, just clean up in there, just clean yourself, and your vagina will smell nice and fresh. And so you just throw that wipe away, throw this away, and you are smelling good for the rest of the day. So definitely, these are products and my tips and tricks on how to health-wise clean your vagina the right way, the right good way. And then also too, this is my tips and tricks on keeping the kitty cat fresh, smelling like honey and roses and everything like that. So this is it for this video, but definitely don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay magical. Mwah.